Okay guys, here Elio Albelo. First of all, thank you very much for acquiring your Tint backpack. Now I'm gonna show you how to use it after you buy it. All right, you already received the package in the mail. Here's your hose, sprayer, brass swivel, charger is gonna be inside. Here is your battery backpack. It's gonna be connected to your USB drive. That way you can charge your phone. And this is the cable, the 12-volt cable that's gonna be powering your pump. O-rings to replace the connection for the bladder in case you miss it. In here you're gonna find the remote fuse box. Please don't mess around with it. We already programmed it and everything. You don't have to do nothing there. Here's gonna be your battery level. Be sure you turn it on. Pump is in here. These are the connections for the hose and the water bladder inside. Your smart pouch is gonna be in here. This is your water bladder connection. These are the O-rings. You got more here in case you miss it. Here is the water bladder that comes with it. You just simply hold it here, snap it in here. It's not gonna come off. To take it off, just press this button right here. In, out. This is how you're gonna fill up your water. There's a lock mechanism here. Sometimes it's super tight when you take it out of the package. Just be sure you hold it tight and grab it from here and pull it out. I recommend for tinting cars between 1 liter to 2. The bladder is up to 3 liters because I know commercial tinters are gonna be using the whole water. Put your soap here. There's like a little groove here. You attach it to the channel, put it back on in there. Now we have our water pouch all filled up here. Bring your water, click it here, boom, you hear that click. There's a pocket, okay. Close it, okay. That's everything set right there, okay. The battery is on, but the system is not running because there's the remote in here. Now you're gonna turn on the remote, press the trigger in order to prime the pump because it's not gonna work. You see, now it's fully primed. If you need to turn off your backpack, turn it off, and it's not working there, right? You needed to turn it back on, turn it on. There you go. Okay, now you need to charge your battery. Remove your battery backpack, unplug your power, your USB, and the charger. It's here. You just plug in here and charge it overnight. That was the explanation for the backpack sprayer. If you have any question, if you have any issues with it, you don't know, what is going on, or you cannot figure out, call me, text me, DM me. I'm on Instagram, Google, everybody knows where I am. 407-692-5543. I can fix any issue with the backpack. If you have any, or if you don't understand it, you can call me. You can reach me out at my email, tintbustersprayer@gmail.com. You're gonna find me there. Thank you very much again. I appreciate your business again, and we stay tuned. Thank you.